Today in this video we are going to talk about the card the Fool. When you look at the card you can see 0. So it says that this is the first card of major arcana. The Fool is also the most important card of the tarot deck, and this is also a very positive card when it comes to reading. As you can see in the image that there is a man walking towards the edge of the cliff, but not watching where he is going, and is totally unaware of the danger and ready to take risk, or you can say is a very carefree person. So whenever this card appears in your reading, it generally says that you can go with the flow, you can follow your heart, or you can believe in yourself. This card is also a yes card. Whenever you are doing a yes or no reading and this card appears, it says yes to your answer. Also, since this is the first card of major arcana, it says that there is some new thing that is going to happen in your life. Or if you're doing a reading for a love life for somebody, then it says that maybe a new person will enter your life, or maybe if your relationship is not going going well, then you can expect a positive renewal in your relationship. Or if you're talking about a business part, then maybe you can start a new project, or maybe you get a new job offer, and this new thing will going to bring happiness in your life. This card also suggests that you should not carry a emotional baggage of past. You should let go the things and start afresh. This is a very positive card. As you can see, the yellow color, the vibrant color, the sun in the card. You can also see the mountains up and down, mountains with a blue color. So this blue color basically symbolizes the emotions, and the up and down of the mountain symbolizes the ups and down in the life. So this card also says that in life you will experience sometimes happiness, sometimes sad. There is a up and down in your life. So but whatever thing that is coming into your life is for your positive, and you have to embrace everything, and everything that you are experiencing, be it negative and positive, both will contribute in your personal growth, in your professional growth, in your life's goal. So this is a very positive card. Take it as a new beginning, and just go for it. So that's it. We will see another card in another video.